Yes, make sure you sweep up after yourself when you're done. Here you go. How's that looking? That look way better. And there was even a little piece over here, and I put that little piece in there. See, that's how you do. That's how you do things. You don't have to ask anybody. You got the material, you got the knowledge, you got the know-how. You can do these things. And it's really not that difficult. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time and effort, but anything worthwhile takes time and effort, doesn't it? Now see there, I got a couple little pieces of flashing for later on. So I'm going to save that. I can make round circles out of that. I can make little L-shaped brackets, other little patches like that if I need them anywhere. Or you'd be surprised how many times you could use a little L-shaped bracket, and maybe if you had just some little pieces of sheet metal flashing, you can do it. Store that in your garage up on a shelf and be ready for your next project.